The world is changing rapidly around us, and so is the way we conduct business. What I'm sharing with you today is leading to a disturbance for people who are born, bred, and trained in the 20th century, who need a roadmap to this new world. Conscious capitalism is that roadmap. You now have actionable tools to embrace this modern business model. To start, pivot from corporate social responsibility towards a higher purpose. Transition from a fear-based towards a love-based culture in and outside of your organization. Reject trade-offs at all costs. Focus on being a leader that focuses on inspiration, not management. Finally, pivot towards an evolutionary operating system to build a sustainable business model. While all of these tips are powerful, without identifying that higher purpose, it'll be very difficult for you to align any of the other pieces of the puzzle. There are some who may argue that purpose comes at a later stage of corporate maturity, that a company must first find its feet financially and grow to a certain size before it can take purpose seriously. I beg to differ. A company must be profitable and financially stable. Absent that, there will not be a company at all. But the purpose element applies to companies at every size and at every stage. That window of opportunity I talked about is today. The ultimate goal here is to make continual progress, starting now. When I look back, I'm so grateful for my dad. He had the courage to show me what love is, even when I'm sure it was really difficult for him. Thanks to his love, courage, and unwavering sense of right, I'm a better man and a better conscious leader and entrepreneur today. Thanks to his guidance, I thrive every day to guide a new generation of leaders towards this new capitalistic model anchored around a deep sense of care for people and our environment. I live the values he ingrained in me, and I know he'd be proud. For that, I'm eternally grateful. Picture a day. Monday morning rolls around, and it's the beginning of a new week. You feel great about your exponential success, knowing that it's not coming at the expense of the welfare of your employees, the environment, or any other stakeholder. Picture a day when an employee says to you, "I'm thriving in my life by working for a company that helps solve a worthy societal or environmental challenge." Picture a day when you are an entrepreneur who came up with an amazing business idea that will change the world for the better. That day can start today. If all of us apply the tenets of conscious capitalism in our businesses starting today, we can change the world. This is what the future of entrepreneurship looks like in the 21st century. Join me in unleashing the entrepreneurial spirit for good.